today's payment breaks down into $1,000 Christmas bonus each. For the hard-working staff members. 1,000 Christmas for hard-working staff members at Fiji Pine, and every cent of which is well deserved. While I'm sure that's all exciting to hear, it also should also make the men and women in this place, in this room, very proud. For record bonuses only come from record results, and those results would not have been possible without each of you. It is your work, day in and day out, that has made this such a great year for the company. You've been on the ground, carrying out the bold vision of reform my government has set out for Fiji Pine over the last 6 years. And you've helped lead this company through difficult times to reach unprecedented heights. As I've watched the progress unfold, I too have felt great pride. I've watched this company rise from the brink of insolvency to the record-breaking success we are celebrating today. Not so long ago, in 2010, the Fiji Pine Group was facing a catastrophe. There were no payments to shareholders, there were no profits, and there certainly weren't any bonus payments during the holidays, like the one you are receiving today. Back then, few would have thought the success we are celebrating today was even possible. But my government refused to resign this industry to failure. We were not prepared to sit idly by as Fijians who relied on a robust pine industry suffered. Even at this point, we could see the industry potential not only to be solvent, but as one that was capable of greatness. And with the right vision and the right leadership, we brought Fiji Pine back from the brink better than before, and with an even brighter future in the years ahead. Without you to help shape and carry out government vision, none of this would have been possible. You've achieved record profits these past 6 years, and you've repaid $60 million in loan, and you've built a foundation for sustained growth, investing over $70 million in strategic upgrades. You've welcomed the new Rasa factory, a state-of-the-art timber facility, the Wairiki wood chipping facility, and of course the brand new Wislanda sawmill, which I was honored to open with you early this year. Back in 2010, our landowners had little faith in this company and in this industry, but that's changed. I've met with our landowners year after year as they've welcomed lease bonus payments under your new profit-sharing model. And today, they share our great confidence in this industry. Working alongside our landowners, you make this industry profitable, and more importantly, you've kept sustainability at the core of all of Fiji Pine's development. When my government first began to steer this industry into its current direction, you'll all likely recall the naysayers with their doom and gloom predictions. As the rest of Fiji has cheered our march forward, as ordinary Fijians welcome the many benefits of our growing economy, our political opponents have found themselves clamoring for relevance. While we put our energy into better outcomes for ordinary Fijians, the opposition has continued with their insults, their lies in the politics of division, all part of the desperate campaign to push Fiji back into the past. A past of provincialism, a past of ethnic consideration, a past of corruption, a past of petty point scoring, and a past that benefited only the privileged. But I assure you, as we look on, we are undeterred in moving Fiji forward. While they've been busy talking, we've been busy doing. while they've been busy spending their lives trying to scare our landowners into inaction, we've been making this industry more profitable than ever before. We will keep up our work to build an even stronger future for Fiji pine and for every Fijian who relies on the health of our forestry industry. Fiji's largest success, like the success of Fiji pine, is owed to consistent, unwavering, and decisive leadership. That leadership, combined with the sweat and the passion of the Fijian people, has carried our country to greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, 2017 has been a truly remarkable year for not just Fiji pine, but for all of Fiji. It is one for the history books. With your continued support, your hard work, your dedication, it's clear now than ever before that the best of all of us is yet to come. I want to wish you all and your families a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From my family to yours. God bless you.